Phar khat lai a ucha kitu ta banga ina chen khompiu chamhlat na ina del khompi saw gam khat a kitu ta a ina chen pi saw Pakistan gam interesting fact ho neu cha na sei kiding o he avelin video tha ave kiding ina bon chawin ka hin lim kidve ka channel subscribe nai la hon lung sin subscribe ne hin bol pe kin on lang ama sa pen in Pakistan official min hi Islamic Republic of Pakistan tin aki he na hi agam population hi 22 crore vel ahin vanoya mi tam na pen gam hola a anga chan na he population density a simdinga per square kilometer amihim 287 aum zoin a he agam lit dan hi 8,81,913 square kilometer in alien zoin a he Pakistan mi ho life expectancy ti cho alhang pia ahin kumza no hi kum som sagi apar som sagi lenga vel a he Pakistan hi South Asia gam khat ahin Islamabad khupi hi agam capital city a he Pakistan a khupi lin pen Karachi khupi ahin la agam capital city Islamabad he a khupi hoi pen a he Urdu la English pau hi Pakistan official language ahin Urdu hi Pakistan national language song a he ahin la Urdu pau hi amaho national language hi jong le agam mi athom zo 8% ho vel bemin Urdu pau hi atho na hi a national language Urdu hi jong le Punjabi pau atam zon aha man zo na hi Pakistan rupee hi Pakistan currency ahin Pakistan rupee khat to hin Indian rupee 0.44 rupees akibangin a hi Pakistanin akigam git pi gam ho chu India China Afghanistan le Iran hichi ho he a he Pakistan ahin football team amin thang hi jong le World Cup qualify zo hi jong leo vanoi pumpi a football ki sim a football podo tam pen gam Pakistan a hikin in a he Pakistan a shell code ki timuna hi khutna ki sim football tampi ahin sim do win kum se in hichimuna hin football 40 to 60 million ke ka asim do jingun a he hichi hin vanoi pumpi football hola a 50 to 60% tabang hi Pakistan a kon a hi zo in a he tu hin Pakistan a football simna factory sangkhat wal a ta na he vanoya nuclear weapon nei gam ko hola Pakistan jong khat a he vanoya Islamic gam hola a nuclear weapon nei masapen jong Pakistan a he 1998 kumchun agama dingin ama sapen din nuclear test anabolo vina he Pakistan a Karakoram highway hi vanoya lamlin ga sang do pen international highway khat he Pakistan gam truck ho decorate abol danu hi gamdang gari ho to akibang pun apum changa pa thenin ajem jiwin he Pakistan ho hi hitabang painting lama jong hi khuthim ta he win he Pakistan gama canal irrigation system hi vanoya canal irrigation system hoile alin pen he vanoya ambulance network lin pen jong Pakistana a he idhi foundation kiti hichi network hin agam pumpi ambulance run abol he Pakistan min umji hi percent le Urdu pau a land of pure tin aki he na he Pakistan gama hin tu ni chanin mini bo sa in Nobel Peace Prize anaki san kha na lain a he Vanoya youngest Nobel Peace Prize anakisan Malaya Yousaf Zari amahin 2004 a hichi Nobel Peace Prize hi anakisan a hi amanu hi koiham tile numei honjong amalung deile amalung chamta a thimjilna anei ding a hi ti a kiphinna anapudu a Taliban hon anathagu nu chu a hi hichi Nobel Peace Prize hi kumsom lasagi alin a anakisan ahin khatpen chu a hi le 1979 kumchun Abdul Salam kitipahin physics lam to kisai in Nobel Peace Prize anakisan in a hi Pakistan le China border a ki koi ATM hi vanoya ATM munsang pen a ki koi a operate ki bol ATM khat a hi hichi ATM hi the world highest ATM tin jong a ki hen hi Pakistan gama hopi luita ta hola a megar kiti hopi hi 6000 BC lai pe akon anaum hitadingin akisei na hi hichi hi Indus Valley civilization masang pe a hitadingin jong ata sanu na hi Pakistan hi military lama vanuya hat pen hola a asom chan na hi Pakistan gam hi numei combat job bolthei Turkey gam bana Pakistan jong hi khat a hi Pakistan gam zakhat la a 25% ho hi agriculture ti chu low bol na ho in amangun na hi Pakistan gam hi vanuya numei hoina pen gam khat a hi tin jong a ki he na hi anumei ho a hoi thei in makeup zawlo a zong hoi ta adim se nun he vanuya muslim population tam na pen gam hola a ani chan na a hi win Pakistan a hin hodang dang umlo zong a kit pun gamdang ho banga ho lebi hi a ki hal tho tho in a hi muslim hi atam zo a hi win hindu christian ti ho zong tho in a hi Pakistan gam hi munnum ta zong adim se nin hi zong le agam hi atam zo a controversy hi jing a hi je in tourist ho ading in a safe zo pun a hi a hin la tu lang lang a hin ani in agama tourist zong ahung tam che tan a hi an che lo hing tam na gam khat zong a hin Pakistan street food ho hi vanoi pumpia amin ki he amin chi ma jing khat a hi atam zo in street vendor ho ko ma hin agam mi hello foreigner hon ne the ane tingole ne man alaji po win a hi Benazir Bhutto kitinu hi Pakistan gama dinga numei prime minister masape na hi ama hi 1989 a chu Pakistan prime minister adinga anakilheng do a hi ahin la 2008 kum chun Pakistan Taliban hon anathat tawin a hi former international cricket star Imran Khan hi 2018 kumin Pakistan prime minister adingin lolhin na anane in a hi 1992 kuma chu Pakistan cricket team hi captain anapu a cricket world cup final England to anaki chimuwa hi cha chu pachan na jong anane yu a hi Pakistan film industry hi Lollywood teen aki he na hi cha hi Urdu le Punjabi pawa film asim jiu a hi computer virus hi Pakistan mi ucha ni hin kilungtu ta a hin sim do hon a hi amani hi Amjad Faroz Alvi le Basit Faroz Alvi a hi thonin a hi Pakistan gam interesting fact isai hi chan choi in tin video hoi sa ole like share na bolotin na bon chavin stay safe and stay blessed